Hi, I'm Hunter Von Talge, an integrated solution specialist with Boat Designer Implement. Today we're going to be going over what it's like using AutoPath in a tractor and a side dress bar. We're in the cab of the tractor here looking at the 4600 armrest display. Right now we're under the Work Setup tab. We already have preloaded a setup file which included the AutoPath guidance. We have the correct client farm field selected along with the tractor and the implement we are pulling. We have double checked that the implement and tractor dimensions are correct. We have also checked and calibrated the TCM of the receiver. Running AutoPath is similar to selecting any other guidance lines. Under the guidance tab here, go to Set Track, and you'll see that we have no other guidance lines available besides the AutoPath lines, which came from the setup file. This is the process of generating the AutoPath lines to be able to use in the field. Since we're looking at a 4600 armrest display here, the Automation 4.0 package is an activation. We can verify that we have that by looking under the activations here and seeing that the Automation 4.0 package includes AutoPath as one of its features. On a 4640 universal display, this would be a subscription-based service. AutoPath is one of 4 features included in the Automation 4.0 package in either a subscription or an activation form. Under the Guidance tab here, you'll see that we're looking at the AutoPath lines currently. Under Set Track and this icon up here in the upper right corner, you will be able to see some settings that pertain to the AutoPath and how it looks on your display. Here we have 2 check marks, rows and source operation passes. By checking and unchecking these, you can change how your map looks. Leaving source operation pass checked leaves green lines that indicate where your planter or strip till machine traveled in the field. Rows generates the yellow lines which represent the rows of the crop as they were planted. Generation method is how we can change how AutoPath was made for this display. In the scenario we are in today, we are applying 32% UAN with a side dress bar that matches the same width as the planter that planted this field. So we will follow the source operation passes in this field. Optimize for fewest passes is a very helpful feature when the width of the implement using the AutoPath lines does not match the width of the implement that recorded the AutoPath lines. We are able to engage both the headland passes and the field passes without having to use the swap track feature. The white guidance line in front of our tractor indicates that this guidance track can be used by pressing the resume switch in the tractor. Thanks for checking out how AutoPath works in a side dress operation. For setup questions or configuration questions, contact your Boat Designer Implement dealer.